also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder, where I approach mental. You have hyperliminal, you have hypnosis, and you have neuro-linguistic programming.
Sure.
NLP. And you have cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which is like a subset or a branch of NLP, equivalent to psychoanalytics being a branch or a subset of psychodynamics. So I could break them down if you like. So subliminal, subliminal is basically information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. Supraliminal is information that bypasses above the physiological threshold of conscious perception. Hyperliminal is a mixture of both, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold and above the physiological threshold. And then we have hypnosis. Hypnosis is basically, our brain oscillates in different brain waves. You have the alpha, beta, delta, and theta. Hypnosis is basically when the brain transitions from the alpha or the beta to the theta or the deep delta state, where all actions become involuntary, making the subject susceptible to outside influence.
Yeah, suggestion and all of that.
Suggestion, right. And then neuro-linguistic programming, often used interchangeably with natural language processing because they both consist of the same